Hello, Bulldogs. Thank you for joining us for the 10th edition of Bulldog Blast. I hope that this medium has been helpful in bringing information to you. On today's Bulldog Blast, I've invited Mr. Keith Kinlaw, who is the chair of the PCC Welding Department. And we're here to discuss the new Technical Academy, which is in partnership with Pitt Community College and Pitt County Schools. You may have noticed in a recent editorial that the Pitt Community College has received a grant in the amount of $200,000 from the Golden Leaf Foundation, as well as $25,000 from the GlaxoSmithKline Foundation. We're delighted to have the funding for that as we will move the academy forward. This will help us to ensure that more students are able to come to Pitt Community College and to be in the Technical Academy. So can you share a little bit about the Technical Academy? When did it start?
So we started the program with a pilot with just using 2 high schools, and we wanted to make sure that everything was going great before we allowed all the high schools to participate. The main reason that we wanted to get this program started is to help fill the deficit in the trades area. We're trying to target these students at a younger age and get them involved in these great low enrollment, high demand fields. These students can get out of school making as much as their parents are with 1 year of associate's degree after completion of high school.
So can you tell me how many students are involved in the academy and for which schools do they come from?
We have 43 participants in the program, and it comes from all the Pitt County high schools excluding Farmville Central. These programs are Industrial Systems Technology, HVAC, Computer Integrated Machining, and Electrical Engineering.
So tell us a little bit about transportation and how do students travel to Pitt Community College to take these classes, and when do they take those classes?
I think that the transportation is one of the most unique parts of this program. Our goal with establishing this was making sure that all areas of Pitt County had access to this program. So we have included buses from every high school that bring students out from their high schools every morning, and they take classes from 9 to 11 with us, and they're back on their campus before lunch so they can have lunch and participate in 3rd and 4th period in the high schools.
Can you tell us about the fees and costs associated with the Technical Academy, and what do you see on the horizon for the academy?
That's one of the best parts about the program. As of right now, it's completely free for all the participants. Very excited about the long-term goals. If they continue on through the apprenticeships, they won't have to pay for college either while they're here. So the 3 semesters they'll have to take after they complete high school should be completely free with tuition, books, and personal protective equipment. In the future of the program, we hope to expand to more program areas, hopefully including architecture and bio network, and have more participation from the local high schools.
I'd like to thank Mr. Kinlaw for joining us today on this 10th edition of Bulldog Blast. As you can see, there are a lot of great things going on here at Pitt Community College. Please have a great day, and remember, go Bulldogs!